Next, we are trying another one by Yulu. This time it is the Taro Milk Tea Instant Kit Boba. Ooh, I'm excited to try it because the boba is great. So this is Taro, and it has the brown sugar pearls. So that's what the kit includes. And yeah, let's give it a go, and we will let you know exactly what we think.
So what flavor is this?
This is the Taro.
Taro. Okay. I like it. It's very good. And the boba pearls are perfect. Yeah, I think it's very creamy. Very exactly what I expect of Taro. Delicious tasting.
Would you recommend?
I recommend highly.
All right, let's try it. It is delicious. Usually I don't like taro, but this is actually really good. I for sure recommend.
So now I'll try it. That's really, really good. Very creamy. It's a good taro. I say I like it a lot. I do drink a lot of taro, and this one's pretty good. It's slightly more creamy than the others, I would say, but really, really delicious. Not too sweet. Absolutely perfect. And the boba pearls are great too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and follow or subscribe. Bye!